Welcome. Let's talk about Ansible Action Plugins, your secret weapon in automation. These are specialized plugins that tweak how tasks are executed. They don't replace modules but work alongside them, shaping the process before and after execution. Think of them as directors guiding your playbook script to be more efficient. By using action plugins, you gain better control and optimization, making automation smarter, not harder. I'm Amelia James, a technology expert with 13+ years of experience designing and delivering human resource management systems that actually work for people. I specialize in building scalable integrated HR platforms that streamline processes, enhance employee experience, and give leadership real-time, actionable insights. Action plugins, they're like backstage crew members in a theater, working behind the scenes to refine your Ansible tasks. Running on the control node, they modify execution at different stages, allowing tasks to be streamlined efficiently. Whether adjusting how playbooks operate or tweaking processes before a task runs, these plugins help make automation flexible and powerful. If Ansible were a symphony, action plugins would be the conductors, keeping automation orchestrated beautifully. They step in to modify task execution dynamically, ensuring efficiency while preventing redundant operations. With these plugins, automation flows smoothly, reducing unnecessary executions and making workflows more precise. Here's the magic. Action plugins operate on the control node, shaping task instructions before execution. They can introduce conditional logic, making automation smarter. Picture them like editors fine-tuning a script, ensuring every task runs optimally while adapting processes dynamically. Ansible offers default action plugins right out of the box. But what if you need something unique? That's where custom plugins come in. Written in Python, these plugins allow users to fine-tune automation, providing specialized solutions tailored to specific needs. It's like upgrading from a standard toolset to a fully customized toolkit. Want to enable action plugins? It's simple. They are part of Ansible's plugin system and can be loaded dynamically. Configurations are handled via Ansible. CFG and custom plugins must be placed in proper directories. So if automation feels a little rigid, action plugins are here to loosen things up. Want to supercharge your playbooks? Action plugins are the answer. They modify execution logic, refining automation efficiency while improving task customization. Think of them as recipe tweaks, perfecting your automation flavors for the best results. Action plugins and modules, what's the difference? Modules do the heavy lifting of executing tasks, while action plugins shape how those tasks behave. It's teamwork at its best, ensuring automation operates smoothly and efficiently. Ready to get hands-on? Creating custom action plugins in Python extends Ansible's automation capabilities further. Store them in designated plugin directories, tailor functionality to your needs, and unleash smarter automation. Alright folks, let's talk about best practices for action plugins. First, clean and consistent code is key. No one likes a messy plugin. Next, optimize performance because slow plugins are a crime against productivity. Always ensure compatibility, because breaking things in different environments is never fun. Lastly, follow Ansible guidelines to keep things maintainable. These steps will save time and headaches. Trust me, troubleshooting plugins is like detective work, minus the cool trench coat. First, error logs are your best friend. They'll tell you what's wrong. Next, debugging tools make life easier. Ansible verbosity levels. JavaScript. Check dependencies and environment settings, because half the time it's the little things tripping you up. Finally, start simple before testing complex setups. Trust me, it's way less frustrating. Time for some action plugin examples. Custom modules help automate specialized tasks. Think automation with flair. Pre-processing tasks set up execution for smoother workflows, like warming up before a race. Enhancing existing Ansible modules boosts efficiency, why reinvent the wheel? And of course, streamlining workflow automation makes everything more seamless. So go forth and experiment. Let's talk performance, because nobody likes a sluggish system. First, trim the fat, avoid unnecessary processing. Next, efficient data structures make a difference, choose wisely. Excessive API calls, that's just asking for delays, use them sparingly. And caching, a lifesaver for repeat operations. Follow these steps, and your plugins will run smoother than butter. Security isn't just a checkbox, it's a mindset. First, least privilege principles keep systems safe. Don't give permissions like candy. Next, sanitize inputs, because injection attacks are sneaky troublemakers. Secure communication protocols, absolutely necessary. No one wants a security breach. Lastly, audit code regularly, because prevention is better than firefighting. Action plugins are evolving fast. Automation and AI integration will supercharge efficiency. Exciting times ahead. More flexibility and extensibility mean fewer limitations for developers. Stronger security, always a priority. We're learning from past breaches. And the best part, community-driven innovation keeps everything fresh and adaptive. Alright, that's a wrap. We covered best practices, troubleshooting, performance, security, and the future of Action plugins. Now it's your turn. Experiment, innovate, and push boundaries. Check out resources to keep learning, and stay tuned for updates. Action plugins are powerful, and with the right approach, you'll unlock their full potential. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us.